Good afternoon, YouTube. This is a follow-up video to the Schuylkill River Trail that I was showing you. Well, now I am off of the Schuylkill River Trail, and I am heading back on the pathway that I was at earlier in Reading, Pennsylvania, the Wyomissing-Reading area. Now this is a more soothing sound, isn't it? I don't hear traffic, just very, very faintly in the background is where all that traffic noise was coming from, which was 422, Highway 422 in Pennsylvania. The only sounds I enjoy hearing are the birds chirping and the breeze blowing. Oh, it's a very peaceful, quiet walk. Okay, we'll have some more footage coming up. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.